question 2, vraag 2. Ons moet die volgende algebraïsche uitdrukkings factoriseren. We are going to factorize the following algebraic expressions, 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. And then question 3 after that will be the simplification of that algebraic expression. So we're just going to go to full screen mode here, so we can have enough space to do our thing. Okay, so we've got a squared plus a plus a quarter. So a terug mag 2 plus a plus 1 op 4. En dit is natuurlijk a 3-term. It's a quadratic trinomial. We do not have a highest common factor going on here. There's no dots. There's none of those other things. So we can easily conclude that this is a trinomial. So I've got my two brackets. En as ek kyk na my twee hakkies, of as ek kyk na my uitdrukking, dis nie 'n baie komplekse uitdrukking nie. Daar's nie groot koëffisiënte vir die a term mag 2 en die a, die middelterm nie. So ek kan my eerste term faktoriseer as a en a, en dan as ek kyk na my derde term, dis 'n kwart. Nou, as jy gesukkel het met hierdie, if you struggled with this one, it's because you maybe you're a bit uneasy working with fractions. And you should know that factors of a quarter would be either a quarter times 1 or a half times a half. Those are your factors there, and of course you can say 1 times a quarter, but that's the same thing. So those are the two you have to play around with, and then you need to bear in mind that if you choose, because we're going to choose obviously a half and a half here. So we've got a half and we've got a half, because when I multiply that together I get 1 over 4 again, or 1 quarter. So all I need to do is, because I've got positive signs all the way through, I know it's plus and plus. So let's just quickly do that and see it. That would be plus a half a. That would be plus a half a. If I add a half with a half, I get 1a, and that is my middle term. So my factors are a plus a half and a plus a half. If you went further and wrote it as a plus a half to the power of 2, like such, that's also fine. 2.2, we have a squared minus 2ac minus 6bc plus 3ab. So this a term mag 2 minus 2ac minus 6bc plus 3ab. And this is 4 terms. We are going to then group them here. I do not see a highest common factor. There's nothing in common across the 4 terms. So I'm going to go ahead and group this. Now we could group this in 2 ways. Some of you use the one, some use the other. I'll just go with one of them here. There's no need, I think, for me to show both. So I'm going to just go ahead and group the first 2. Ek sal net die eerste 2 groepeer en dan die laaste 2. So kom ons kyk hoe werk dit. Ek het dan a term mag 2 minus 2ac plus in die middel, en ek behou die tekens soos dit daar is, 6bc, negatief 6bc plus 3ab. En dan gaan ek faktoriseer. Ek het dan a uit die eerste een, en ek het a wat oorbly minus 2c. And then I'm going to do a change of sign rule here, so I'm going to then have this as minus, and I'm going to do a 6bc inside minus 3ab. Then I'm going to go ahead and factorize that second bracket, so that stays the same. Dan het ek hier so minus, ek hou die minus. By die tweede hakkie haal ek 'n 3b uit as my GGF. En ek maak oop hier so. Wat bly oor? Dis 'n 2c. En dan het ek minus a. So that will be 2c minus a. And if I multiply this back, that will be negative 6bc, which was our original term there, and that will be plus 3ab, which was our original term. So those signs check out. Then ek sien hier so dat ek het a in 2c en a in 2c, maar hulle is nie in die volgorde wat ek wil hê nie. So ek gaan weer 'n verandering van tekenreël toepas. So dit is a min 2c, en dan gaan ek maak plus 3b, en dan minus 2c plus a. And of course I like to just rewrite that so I can see that these two guys look the same. So that will be a minus 2c, and then I can take out a highest common factor of the bracket a minus 2c, and what's left in the other one is a plus 3b. En dit is dan volledig gefaktoriseer.